What's up, guys? Luke, Sal, Graham, coming at you. Headed out today to the Red River. Do a little bit of fishing, eh? Had a hard time getting up this morning. All the boys did. Yeah. But we're up now. We're up at 5:30. I know, that was good. We're up. We're getting going. We're gonna head out to the Red River. It's pretty cold out. Minus 33. 7:05 right now. We'll hit you back on the river when we're out there.
Okay, welcome back to Tipped Up Angling. I'm gonna keep it a little shorter this video. Not as much talking, just hopefully more content of us catching fish. We haven't been out for a while, or I haven't at least. I was writing exams and the weather was just horrendous for the past couple weeks. It's really cold today too, like minus 30, but the wind chill was getting up to minus 50 a couple weeks ago. It was just freezing, like pretty much couldn't leave your house. So we're back out here today though, on the Red River, as Luke said earlier, and we're just gonna try and catch fish. We will be keeping fish today and taking them home, so hopefully we can do a little catch and cook for you guys at home. And yeah, we'll see how the day goes.
Eating that?
Yeah, I think so.
Time. They actually both grab a lure. There's two shovels.
Yeah, both of them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice fish. Nice fish.
Oh shit.
That's not that good. That's enough.
It's kind of...
It's chunky monkey. That's
No,
a
I
big.
was gonna say,
that's a big
fat.
chungus.
Dead wire. Okay, so we're at our second spot here. We're just getting set up. Gonna do a little depth test, see how deep we are. That could be helpful. Got the flasher here. We're at 12 feet. It's good enough. We'll work with it. What is this kid doing? Okay, if anybody out there needs somebody to drill holes for them, just hit up Luke Ceramit. We already have our tent holes drilled, but he just does not stop. He never stops.
Yeah.
First walleye of the day.
Hey guys, just using a nice Whistler jig. Got a good hit. Pulled it up.
Come on.
Nice eater. There we go. Stop. Cold out here.
Yeah. Oh, Brakel is hooked up.
And I can barely even feel
Here.
it. It's gonna be the smallest fish I've ever caught.
I know you want some. This is... Can we all do this?
Do what?
Bring coffee mugs.
Shave the middle, bro.
Mark, that's huge. It just took up the whole freaking bottom of the screen.
I'm pretty sure that was me.
No, that is not
Oh,
you.
it's not. It's a decent fish. It's a good fish.
No, it's not. Garba. Okay, it's actually pretty nice.
Oh, wow. Ow, ow. Calm down. What can I say? It's a nice fish. Yeah. It's a good spot.
And Frozone. Hey, Luke.
I splint literally sitting it on the bottom.
Really?
Tops. Looks like a pretty nice fish breaker.
Oh, and it cut off! I'm using a thumper jig. Those suck. They don't keep fish on. It's all the lure. It's not the fisherman.
How are
I swear on my life.
Speaking of lures, the go-to for me, rattle bait, and then a jig. I usually put minnows on my jig, but today we changed it up and we put a soft plastic. So.
Someone gonna pass me the...
Nice. Or
where's your little
You guys? Just using a whistler jig today. Jackal rattle bait. I'm doing pretty good.
Is that your jigging glove that you got on there, Josie?
I actually have a splint. Usually don't wear gloves at all.
He doesn't mind getting his hands.
But
ladies,
can't get it wet. Okay.
come on.
Oh,
Whoa,
that's nice.
it's fat. Through the side of it though.
Oh really?
Okay, so little story time. I got hit, lost it. Got hit about 30 seconds later, lost it. Got hit another 30 seconds later, and finally pulled it up. So looks like they're aggressive. They're looking for some food. Well, let's lose a couple more fish and then maybe catch one in a bit.
It's really in high school.
It seems like it's got some decent weight.
Oh, that's good. Don't tell me anymore. I don't want to be filmed.
Little walleye there, probably about 14, 15 inches. We'll be keeping this, give you guys a little catch and cook. Open up the window there, baby. From Skibby. Oh, what?
Is that a...
I want a big one though. That's what we're all after. The big boys. I haven't caught.
Okay, so we are in the tent by ourselves. The rest of them are hole hopping right now. Camera set up, got the flasher, the heater. I'll get back to you. We are hooked up. Oh, just a little guy. First one on the rattle bait of the day. Tiny little Sauger. Whew, it's cold. This guy got mangled. He's got a hook through one. Okay, there we go. There we go. So, little Sauger. Probably 11 inches. We're catching a lot of these today. We're also catching a few bigger walleye. They just went out to hole hop and they're catching lots. They got one walleye that we're gonna keep. They've got about 4 or 5 little Sauger in about 5 minutes, and so that's my first one since they've been out there. I'll try and get a few more.
Okay, so we're done here on the Red River today. We're all packing up now. Got about 10 fish to keep. We did say we're doing a catch and cook. What?
We'll do it up there. Do
Oh,
the outro
well.
up there.
Yeah, we'll talk up there too, but so we'll do a catch and cook. We're going back to Luke's place, cut the fish up, make a meal, because I am starving. Haven't eaten since 6:30. The routine Tim Hortons in the morning. We'll catch ya
Last time I hit it
up the ramp. Welcome to episode 2 of Tipped Up Angling, episode uno of Tipped Up Tailgate Talk. Okay, how do you boys think the day went?
Well, the day started off, Luke waking up at 5:30, us not really wanting to get up.
I had my mattress flipped like multiple times. and I
Yeah,
would
blankets
curl up in a
pulled
ball.
off us.
Yeah.
Luke screaming, saying, if we want to go back to bed, he's not waking up, he hates fishing. Yeah, so get out here. It's a late morning, so we get out here like 8:30, 9-ish. Start by fishing by the point towards the locks at Lockport. Catch like 4 or 5 in like an hour and a half, and then group decision decided to move down towards the power lines, which is like maybe a kilometer down the Red River. We had some more luck there right off the bat, 5 or 6 fish.
Bigger fish too.
Caught a nice big
We were
walleye.
catching bigger ones.
Yeah. Luke, do you have anything?
No, we had a lot of action all day. It was fun.
After we made that move,
yeah.
it was
That was
we hole hopped a little bit. And
that was the key to the day.
we hole hopped there. We kind of crushed them, eh? I don't
Weather
know
got
how
I
much
didn't
we
catch
got.
fish hole hopping. It was a good idea.
Yeah,
They
caught
were
like-
smacking
Caught
them.
like 5 in like a couple minutes.
It was super cold this morning, but it got super nice
Yeah,
outside.
it's a lot nicer now.
It was fun though. We had a good day.
It was fun. I think this has been a good episode.
Gonna go make some food now, eh?
Yeah, we'll catch you guys in the kitchen at Luke's place.
So I just clean them, then we'll get to the cooking. Show you guys how we do it.
Bang. Okay, so we just got right down to it. Cut up the fish. Didn't film it or anything. We got it all here. What we're gonna do now is just cut it into small chunks. Soak it in some Frank's Red Hot. For our breading, we're not using flour or anything. We're going straight with Doritos sweet chili heat. So, cut it up now.
That pretty much does it for now. We're gonna cook the fish up and we'll see how she tastes. It should taste pretty good and I don't know, I might make some sandwiches out of it. We'll see, but get back to you.
Okay, by far this was like I think one of my favorite days fishing so far this winter. Didn't catch huge fish, but we caught a lot. The catch and cook was really fun. Like we have tons of fish. It just like falls apart in your mouth. If I could change one thing about it, it'd have to be the breading. The breading really falls apart, but it tastes good. It has a little kick of sweetness and a little spice to it. I like it. I'd give it 7 out of 10. How about you, Brady?
6.5.
Well, gotta get the consistency right.
It's like falls apart a lot. Like chunks of fish don't stay together very well.
Very good. So, to wrap the end of this video up, there might be a bluegill video coming in sometime later this week. We might head out Monday after school. So stick with it. Like and subscribe.
crappie.
No, we're going bluegill one day and then
Oh, yeah,
Saturday
crappie.
or something.
Crappie.
So, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Tipped Up Angling.